Well, another week and another project. This one was relatively simple. It was a bench brace, and you only had to make one. The most difficult probably part of it was getting the two bends done in it. You had to drill 4 holes of different sizes and thread one of the holes and countersink the other ones. So all in all, not a bad project, good learning project. So I'm happy to say that I got it done. So here it is.